Hi guys, welcome to Craft Kids TV. Today we're gonna be making paper airplanes.
And then we're gonna have a paper airplane battle. Right? So what we're gonna do today is you're gonna win? You gonna win? I think I might win.
I'm gonna win.
We'll see, right?
I'm gonna beat you two.
So we're gonna design them. Well, we're gonna build them. Then we're gonna design them by like coloring them certain ways, making them look really super cool.
Can we tell them what we're gonna do?
Yeah, what are you thinking?
I'm gonna draw an army plane.
Army plane? Cool. What are you thinking?
I think I might draw my favorite things on it and then give it a name and write the name on there.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna give it the land and army plane.
The land and army plane. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I'm just gonna play it by ear. So we're gonna build some pretty basic planes today. Just like paper airplane building 101. Nothing too fancy. But if you like this battle and you want to see us build some different types of planes in the future, or some trick planes even, just comment, make some comments, and we'd be glad to do that. Okay? You guys excited?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to build?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's get to building. Okay, so we're set up a little different. This is, hold on, bud. We're gonna do paper airplanes, but we're at a round table today, so it's like the kids of the round table, the craft kids of the round table. Okay? Now, it's gonna be a little weird for you guys watching at home because there's 3 different people working at 3 different angles on these airplanes. My advice would be to pick one. We're all gonna do them the same for today. Like I said, we can do more complicated airplanes another time, or different styles of airplanes another time. Today, we're just battling it out. We all want to have the same airplanes with different designs, right? So, first thing we're gonna do, take the paper, hold it like a landscape, and then you're gonna fold it in half the long way. Like a hot dog, not like a hamburger. I don't know if you've ever heard that before. Okay.
A hamburger would be like, that. And then you would fold it down.
That's right, correct. Okay, now if you don't get these folds perfectly correct, like perfect folds, it's okay. It's not a big deal. All right? So you have it folded like that hamburger. Then you're gonna go to the top. I would say the top right-hand corner would be the way to go. Landon, put your crease at the bottom. Madeline, put your crease at the bottom. Go to the top right-hand corner. Just so we're all doing the same thing. Fold that top corner down so that the sides line up. Basically what you're going to do is create a triangle right here. It's a triangle. Okay? Once you have that creased, you can take your paper. It's not perfect. Look, it's a little off here. It's okay not to be perfect. Take your paper, completely flip it over. Now that's not to say you don't want to try to do it as best as you can, but if you're not perfect, it's okay. No reason to get frustrated. So you take that other corner and you're flipping it down to match what you just did on the other side.
Oh, at this one?
To try to match, yep, there you go, Landon. What you're trying to match what you did on the other side. Okay, and you just do the best job that you can. Ready, bud?
Yeah. Bang.
Okay, hold on, before we crease it, make sure it matches.
Look at it.
That's okay. You want to know how to fix that? Watch this. All you do is back it up a little bit. Oh, so I think what's going on here, Mads, is we fix this other side a little bit too. See, this side's a little raised. It's not a problem. Watch what you do. And just like that, you work the crease out, and your airplane is back in business. Okay?
Yeah.
So now what we have like looks like a triangle stuck to the side of a rectangle.
Like a chop, but it needs roots.
That's right. So what you do now is you take and make sure your slanted part is facing to the right. Okay? Then you grab the top corner again. Make sure you're just grabbing half of your folded paper. And you're going to take this slanted piece and line it up with the bottom of the airplane. Or in this case, it's not an airplane yet, so the bottom of the paper. Yes. Land, hold on one sec, bud.
Wait, I need help.
Okay, so Lynn, you're gonna do this, right? You're gonna take that side And you're gonna line it up there and then crease it. Nope, crease it all the way up, okay? Crease that a couple times. Madeline, you're taking this side and you're lining it up with the bottom. And once it's pretty well lined up, doesn't have to be perfect, but it's gotta be pretty close, you make your crease all the way up, okay? Then you flip it over and you do it again, matching the other side matching what you just did on the other side. Okay, so, sure, I can help. Ready? So you crease that like that. I hear a little one coming up the stairs. I see a mama. I see a mama coming, and I see an Odin coming.
This is not a good time.
Here he comes.
This is not
Come on
a
over,
good
bud.
time.
It's okay. Come on over, bud. All right, so we're almost done with these planes. We just have one more fold on each side to make. Now it kind of looks like an airplane right now, right?
It goes like this.
Yeah, if you look at it, it kind of looks like an airplane right here. But this type of airplane might fly okay, but it's probably not going to get the distance that we want for our airplane battle. So, thank you, bud. Put it down on the table. Face the point off to the right.
That way?
Off to the right.
Oh, the right.
Like that. Okay. Now we're going to do this one more time. We're going to take this slanted edge and we're going to fold it over and align it up with the bottom of the paper. Okay?
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Wait, like this?
The whole edge is going to go. But what you were about to do there, Maddie, was make another style of airplane that we can talk about on a different episode. Right? Cool. It's kind of like a happy accident right there, huh, Maddie?
Yeah.
Cool.
Flip it over and do it again.
Yep. There. Now you turn it over and you do it one last time. One last fold.
What?
Okay? So there. And there. That fold is done. Okay? That fold is done.
Now attack! Now attack!
Now what you do is if you're looking at it from the bottom here, you're going to take the clump of paper that's in the middle and you're going to squeeze that together. Now, what we might do is go grab some paper clips from the paper clip bag, paper clip that together and give our plane a little bit of weight. But before we do, we're going to decorate these things. Okay?
Oh yeah!
So we're going to spend a couple minutes decorating and then we'll show you what we have and then we'll head outside for the battle.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Odin. What are you doing?
Back. Back. So, all right, my plane has these initials because those are my initials for my name, and I did a big ice cream right here, and then it says Maddie Weber's plane on each side, and then my initials again, USA, and then I did colorful things here. That's me, the pilot, on both sides, and I did colorful things here too. And this side's different. And this is somebody sleeping while they're watching their iPad. They're playing a video game. This one is looking out the window. This one here is just sleeping. This one's looking on its laptop, and this one has a computer out and headphones on. And I'm the pilot on this one. There's my plane. And mine's the army plane. If you guys can read, just know that's my plane, and then if you can read that.
I'm gonna win no matter what.
Yeah, if you guys can read that, then just be sure to read it.
Okay.
This one's called Major Distance, and it's built like a jet. It's got the rivets in it, and then just says nice and simple USA, lightning bolt on the side, and the pilot sitting in it. So this one's built for major distance.
All right.
Okay, guys, I almost forgot. It's time for a dad joke.
Dad joke.
Time for a dad joke. So, you guys know where the where cats go to learn how to swim?
Yeah.
Kiddie pool.
Yeah!
2, 1, launch. Madeline!
Oh, nice!
2, 1. Okay, so you can see the planes in the background, way off in the background. Dad is already out of the running because Dad's plane is clearly behind the other two. But we're gonna do a measure off here to see who wins. So from the starting line, which is the hose, every step I take, guys, all the way out to where the planes are, every dad step is 3 feet approximately, okay? So we're gonna count as we go. Walk with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Dad's at like 31.
And I'm at...
Hold on. Look out of the way, buddy. Look out of the way. We have a virtual, what appears to be tie between these two. If we take one footstep on this side, we're going to get to approximately 3/4 of my foot. And if we take one step on this side, we're going to get about the exact same. So we are going to officially call this a tie.
Breaker.
We're going to call it a tie. So you guys both win.
Guys,
Both win.
actually-
Arms up, guys. Celebrate.
Daddy, how about actually, wait, call it a tiebreaker. So it's a tie.
It's a
It's just-
tie. It's a definite tie. Hello! Back in the cozy confines of the toy room, we have the two champions of the long distance airplane row and their little brother riding the horse. Now, how does it feel to be the champion? I'll start with you, Madeline.
Great!
How does it feel to be the champion, Landry?
Great, and I want to go to the bathroom.
How does it... That was interesting. How does it feel, Odin, to be riding the rocking horse?
Baby Zuko, rock us!
Okay, cool. So, what was your secret to success, Madeline?
My secret was leaning back, and that was my secret. Throwing it easy so it actually goes farther.
Cool. He wants to eat. He wants to eat the microphone. So, Landon, what was your secret to success today?
Same secret. My mom taught me when I was 4,
How old are you now?
size, and it feels great to be the champion.
Okay, so there you have it. Madeline and Landon, come over here, guys. Madeline and Landon, the champions today. So, guys, what do you want to say? What? Back up just a little bit. What do you guys want to say before we leave?
Smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.
All right. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Bye.
All right.